हेलो। मैं हूं अभय कर्नाटकी और आप सुन रहे हैं नॉलेज शीट बाय गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर एन इंटीमेट नोट टू सिंसियर सीकर। Dealing with doubt. A doubt is a gray area. Gray is something which is neither white nor black. Now, how to solve a doubt? Accept a doubt as either black or white. See your doubt as white and there is no doubt. See the doubt as black and accept it. Either way, you accept it and move on. See someone as either honest or dishonest and accept him. Then your mind becomes quiet and you are not in the gray area of doubt. Have the conviction he is dishonest and yet he is still part of me. I accept him as he is. That's it. Finish. Doubt is an unstable state where your foot is neither on this shore nor on the other. This leads to tension. One way or the other, take a direction and regain your footing. Have you noticed that you usually doubt the things that are positive in your life? You don't doubt negative things so much. You doubt a person's honesty and you believe in his dishonesty. When someone is angry with you, you have no doubt about his anger. But when someone says he loves you, you doubt, does he really love me? When you are depressed, do you ever think, am I really depressed? No, you accept your depression as a fact. When you are happy, you doubt, am I really happy? Is this what I really want? Your doubt is about your capability, but never about your weakness. Look at this tendency to doubt the positive in your life. Doubt the negative and put your trust in the positive. Put doubt in proper place and doubt the, the doubts. संशय पर ही संशय करें. अच्छा, कई बार जो डाउट्स आते हैं ना मन में, तो वो तुम्हारे प्राण शक्ति का कम होने से आ जाते हैं. हाँ, तो अपने प्राणायाम करने से, ध्यान करने से कई सारे डाउट्स तो ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं. ठीक है. So there is a question. I am a married woman living with my husband and 2 children. I want to know about enlightenment. What does Guruji say about enlightenment? So there are couple of talks he has given, and it is not a small thing that can be told in matter of 1 or 2 days or even a month. So you are invited to go through Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Ashtavakra Gita on the Art of Living app. And in this book, there are a series of knowledge sheets. One of them is on enlightenment. Sometimes the question comes up, what is the use of all these courses if someone's behavior has not changed? The knowledge acquired by a human being cannot be measured by or judged by external behavior. Some people may behave as though they have absorbed all the knowledge, but internally they have not. The reverse is also true. Someone who seems to have not changed at all may have absorbed quite a lot. Ordinary people just look at the external behavior, but the intelligent ones look beyond behavior and is amazed at the play of consciousness, that is Brahman. Behavior affects relationships, attitude affects behavior, knowledge or ignorance affects attitude. Grace brings forth knowledge. Inside, you are like a tree, barren in some seasons and at other times blossomed. Be like an evergreen coconut tree that yields its fruit throughout the year. That is enlightenment beyond seasons. So enlightenment is the most misunderstood and misquoted concept in the whole of discussions and relations of the people with the community and so on. So here he is saying, be like an evergreen coconut tree that yields its fruit throughout the year. That is enlightenment beyond seasons. Jai Gurudev.